Okay, you guys, I have been in desperate need of a chair mat for this office space because we have a chair with wheels that's been damaging the floor. And Yecaye gifted me this woven chair mat, and I am absolutely in love with it. It has such an awesome, modern, clean design, which really matches our decor here. And I'm going to show you in a second here. It really reminds me of a Chilewich mat, if you're familiar with that. It has this amazing crosshatch design that's woven, and it's just this really rich and elegant look. And honestly, the best part is that this is like a Chilewich mat, but at a fraction of the cost. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so the back here is a non-slip backing, and it does lay very flat to the floor. You are going to want to spend a little bit of time kind of rolling it the opposite direction when it comes in the mail and just letting it sit, but it lays really flat and the chair can roll very easily on and off the mat. Super happy with the way that it turned out and just how it elevated our office space here, and thrilled that it's going to be protecting our floors.